Welcome to our City Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top Star Times channel 195. As we dey talk, every week they don't turn Christmas. From 10 go reach 11 as we dey carry all the topic when they come out smoke inside Nigerian politic arrangement to discuss them the way when the team be. My name na Ezugu Chukwudi. From what I don't see from the start. I not there alone inside studio. I there with my brother when Sabi well as they concern politic matter. As it is hot.
Good morning, our viewers, and welcome to today's segment, today's edition, today's Ogbonge program, where they normally sunshine with that same thing when they desire, that political activity that happen for now, Obodo Nigeria, as it is hot. We'll go open our phone line for now to also do it and contribute once they matter, because today's matter, in fact, you know, different from every other matters where they present. It be very, very hot and very sizzling. My name never still change. My name now Nkubi, and this now Ask It Is Hot.
Quickly today, we go look government and indiscipline inside our Obodo Nigeria and how we go take free repair am. Make we paint picture. On Monday, August 31st, we hear say the governor of Ekiti State, Ayodele Fayose, he carry surprise, enter inside the state secretariat. As he enter there, he can give instructions, say once 8 o'clock knock, when be time of resumption, make them lock all the gates. And they say some people come again, they make phone calls, say, if you no go fit come here before 8 o'clock, make you carry speed come, because if you no come, wahala don dey, as governor don dey down. And they don't say 8 o'clock knock, they lock the gate. And plenty people carry waka, enter inside the office, but they come late. Many of them come, don't make mistake, I won't say protest. Prostrate, they beg the governor, say, na mistake, na hold up, na this, na that, na this, na that. We can't take and go backwards. See the same case wey happen for Cross River State. As the governor too, carry waka, enter inside before 8 o'clock. They can't lock gates, lock some people outside before you can say, they come inside. We can't want break this one down. We don't get complaints over the years, say, people when we say then they work, they suppose they collect their money. And at the end of the day, you when we say you they collect money for the work where you they do, maybe you come, they come late, or you know they come at all, or you know even they exist as say you they work, but you they collect money. That na ghost worker. We won't break them down. We always talk and say government no be one man business. Government now everybody go join their hand together to make the team work. But it be like say indiscipline don't spoil things. Some people don't they advocate. Say make our Oga Presido, make him bring back the system when he used, when he be head of state between 1983 and 1985, that is the war against indiscipline. Make him put them inside this government. Who can they talk? Look government, look indiscipline, that is yama behavior of people, not just people when they government, but people when also be part of this government. What we go do and now we go take repair them. Now what we go ask today be that.
Well, the action of Oga Fayose, me I don't see him as anything they bad, because really, if then they pay you for a job where they do, you also need to at least attest, at least show say yes, this job where they pay you, where they put food for your table. If you also show that commitment to make sure say you carry out the responsibilities, the work where that job provide for you to do it. And then talking about a war against discipline, where people they even call to make them introduce back. For me, I go say make them do one, but then make them not use that military approach where they take address and that time, bring her here, because this time around we know they under this thing, military regime, not under democratic setting where we say I get the right to challenge you, say no, I don't want it this way. You get the right to say you want another way. So even if they go say, they go even consider to even say they want to introduce that, make them know as they take address and make sure say the introduction go make sure say at least it put that thing to place, but then make nobody say now that kind hard way, the military way of saying, well, now by force, by fire. No, that will not work in this system.
You know why are they happy with this thing when you talk?
No, wait.
The way when you start your statement, you don't make them declare to Nigeria and say, Governor Ayodele Fayose of Ekiti State is an action governor, a responsible governor, a serious governor, and governor when we say, in what make the state they move forward. You see, you use your mouth talk this one no follow for. You won't change. No, excuse me. Chukudi. You won't change them.
My talk is based on the action we carry out recently on Monday. I not talk about. I not refer to past things. Now this one I say I like what you do.
The one when you take on Monday now action, I be no be action.
Monday on an action, yes, and I say I like them.
And you go like make all the other governors when they inside this country copy this good action or not.
Something like that.
Something like that. You go come here, they talk, say, hey, this governor, this, that. But we don't they see, say, government Now our hand, we go use
No, of course, now our hand. Yes, now we get government. We are a part of the system, and collectively we need to do it. Make sure say yes, so this thing will get together. Make we no find way spoil them because if it spoil, it go still hit us back.
So Nkubi, you agree? Say some people now then they use their hand, they follow spoil government. Even though we get some good people in the government, the reason why I go talk this one, I will give this example, just this example, and I no go give this example again.
No, just give me an example where we say no. If you give, make sure say the example correlate with what they talk about. No carry one kind of example.
Your conscience don't the judge.
No, what to be conscious?
You know what I go talk about.
Okay, talk him.
You see, before you start, you don't talk go say, even if they bring back war against indiscipline, you know go and make it be the military way.
Yes,
make it not be like anything. Not be democracy we dey. Why you still get fear for your mind? Who could be? You don't have discipline. That's why you're already afraid. Then talking for Bible now, say the righteous. What happen to righteous? Righteous.
No, now you won't quote the Bible.
No. If you don't feel complete them, I don't talk again.
No.
No, should we go church?
I dey go church.
What in the Bible talk about
my
righteous?
Mind. The remainder of your this thing in my mind, but not me go
quote
am for you.
Who be the person wey talk the quote first? Now me talk am. Minister, I know am. Now you want use the quote for.
You want me? I can't finish your quote for you.
But what in the Bible talk about the righteous people?
Finish am now. No be one talk the quote.
Should be there your mind.
No, they point me.
This na the indiscipline wey they talk about.
After now you go talk now, they point. Why they point me? If you want talk what you want talk. No, they point me.
Complete that my Bible quotation. The righteous shall do what?
It is because you don't know it. That's why you find it difficult.
The righteous shall do what?
Who go fill am up for you?
I go leave am to you as assignment for you not to know this simple part of the Bible about the righteous people.
Why you go come out from my mouth? Why you waste that and no finish am? Just like where Papa and Pikin they do him. Maybe Papa can't give Pikin proverb say, look, no be see. We they say crab. Crab go think na two different type of water. I mean, crab no go know na two different type of water dey. Him go dey enter, they swim inside the inside baby. They swim inside the water. He no go know say yes, and that kind of water dey. Until you do it, he enter down with the pot. You go know say this water dey too. If the Papa go give that kind of proverb, shebi na you go start am, na you go finish am. You start your own, finish it.
So you don't agree on top of the show saying na me be your Papa now?
No. Example I dey give.
Which kind of example? Why you go dey use crab? They give example. We dey talk in discipline. When serious.
And they try to give example. Say if you want start up something, start and finish am.
Unkubi.
As I take start my crab.
How many times I call your name?
Don't you ever ask me the number of times when you come and you. What's the meaning of that? Because I say I use it to example. Say for instance, if you my Papa no give you the right, they call me anyhow. What is the meaning of that? What is the meaning of that? If you want to talk. Don't use me as an example. Don't call ask me, say how many times you call me. Do you look like my father to me?
This thing are indiscipline when they talk about.
You started in discipline, man.
You started
the indiscipline.
This is the indiscipline we are talking about.
When they talk and say, Governor Shufai say try. You call the carry and come from another angle. So for your
why you don't want gree say the man try? Why you don't want make a
I not talk here say he do good.
Okay, Nkubi. But you don't agree now say. For example, now, if Governor Ayodele Fayose will be action governor, when all of us...
But even like that, maybe we tell ourselves the truth. Even, fine, what he did was quite good, but then, how he go, okay, he go say, yes, the action will put fear for the minds of the workers to go always come work early. But then, the activities will come play out there. Shey to say they are appropriate.
Excuse me, Nkubi, now the offense, now will look first, not be the activity.
The activity will play out.
Now the offense will look first.
Is it appropriate?
If you they work for government...
Talk that one.
Excuse me. If you dey work for government and you know what you supposed to do and you do am, you go dey prostrate. No, if you know what you supposed to do, you go dey
prostrate from me. Make it stop them from prostrating. Why they go stop? They call the prostrate. Even old men say they even follow prostrate.
Is it not their prostrate? Oh, so as they want prostrate, make
you walk away from the prostration.
Why you go walk away from the prostration? I don't want to prostrate. Address them. Say if una salary no come, una go begin dey complain say una never collect salary. Now una dey collect salary even with the difficulty when we dey. Bailout states never collect. Even Adamawa state go use their own go pay people when go cast and bind Boko Haram people. But that one na another case wey we go still discuss because that state na APC control state. I don't know the kind action when we say the governor think say in they do like that. But you must continue with this talk. If we see wetin good, make we dey talk am. Governor Ayodele Fayose, he don do the right thing. You come on, they bring another thing.
I not talk say no do the right thing.
Why people go to prostrate?
Listen.
If you not come late for work, you go to prostrate. If you are not late for work, will you?
But why not make it just no? See, make you also respect the fact that these are old men.
When come late to work.
Make you just work out, come out. So
old men when they collect salary,
won't be like now, won't grow like una. So me, I'm making not just prostrate for me. What is that? But I'm not saying the actions are good, but then the prostration thing, no.
Who could be this thing when you talking? God go judge you.
God go judge you. Go start the judgment from you. Yes, the God will start the judgment from you. Chukudi, Ezugu, Cypre.
Why you can't call my full name?
Yes. Why you go say God go judge me? God talk say wetin I talk bad.
Before who go judge you?
Who go judge you? Now I think the judgment will start from you.
But
God will have no reason to judge me because I know God himself knows say me and now. We get very good relationship. I respect God. I dey worship him. I mean, waiting again. God does also know say things that they come off my mouth now truth, nothing but the truth. But you say, make we not even talk. The judgment don't even start.
Even before God judge you, you don't already want to judge me. Nigerians, my hands are clean.
Now you said it yourself.
You say you get good relationship with God.
Yes.
You and God, now they relate. You and God, now go sit down for that table, now they do this. You can't say, but me. You are already judging me.
I've not said anything. I said, but you.
You wanted to judge me. The reason why
I said, but you. You say God go judge me. I said, but you. Judgment on top of.
Make we talk about indiscipline for government. Let's be serious.
Now I come.
Be serious for once because now only me the always they dey serious. Be serious for once. Make we paint this picture now. Now. Before our former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan come out for office, him been talk am clear say Nigeria na project, and the project wey Nigeria be na very complex project. Make I break am down. Na something wey be say e go take a lot of care, e go take a lot of hard work. We go need to chook plenty eye inside to take fit repair am because from 1960 never you stop. No. Never you cut me. Never you cut me.
Hold on. Nigeria na project. Who supposed to say, okay, see the outline, this is, see the resources we will say, put up this project. Okay, once we don't put them up this way, see this thing, see, okay, the continuity of the project, we go make sure say, that we don't put down, see as you go see the things we go put down to make sure say, at least, continuity.
If they put them down and the people who supposed to listen to them don't listen.
Whose responsibility is it to say, okay, see as we want apply now, see as we want put them, see the project, we go put out this way, we go put up this structure, we go make sure so this sector they work, we go make sure say this other sector they work. So continuation go fit continue without you thinking of carrying out every year. You come in, you think of same project. Now so they run country.
Okay, Nkubi, see the two examples when we carry come. Ekiti State under Ayodele Fayose, Cross River State under Professor Ben Ayede. Now, we don't give two examples of these states where we say people come late to work. After governor don't come, tell them say make them close gate by 8. So this one na problem amongst workers. Some of them know they take their work seriously.
Okay.
Now make them they go late to work. And just because of say governor go there, now we can't know say some people know they come work early. Meaning say some people they take it don't become habit for them
to
not to they go work early.
Yes.
So that is a problem. I go speak English. It is a problem that permeates across the civil service of Nigeria. He don't sieve enter. He don't go around the whole civil service of Nigeria. Now, I go speak, I don't know, but somebody now talk this one. Desperate what? Desperate situations call for desperate what? Measures. Now, we get government wey don look say things don dey spoil from time immemorial. We wan change this thing now and dem come take the necessary action. All we need to do is give them support. Whoever know say for Lagos, people go dey line up to enter bus. You know dey follow people drag to enter inside bus before. But now, you know dey line up to enter inside BRT. You know dey line up to enter inside lag bus. We must take certain actions. Other countries for the world dey develop. See Singapore, see Malaysia, see Ghana. Why e be all of us go always dey talk say Nigeria. Waiting. Now only this country dey answer my question. No dey put hand for shoulder. I don begin dey use points. Dey fire you now. Fire you. You no know wetin to talk. You dey support indiscipline. God will judge you. You dey support indiscipline. God will judge you. You say make Oga President no bring war against indiscipline. Say make it no be like military. What is your fear? What is your fear? No dey come and if you want to talk, go straight to your point. No dey come and
you don't make your point. You don't talk. I just dey listen to you. So why you go end up with now God go judge me again?
Because now wetin.
If not because we do on national TV, if not because of say we do.
So wait, you want to threaten me? They stop so that I go. If not, be say you can't stop. You can't
national TV, Chukwudi. Me and you, you to me. Wetin you talk no dey bad, I no talk say e dey bad, fine, but then na still collective.
When I come dey talk, why you come dey look me like say?
For every foundation, for every institution to dey very very strong, at least the institution go get a very good foundation. And where the foundation go come from? From the top people wey dey top. Once the foundation don start up well from the people wey dey top, at least people wey dey down go follow this. Go follow suit.
The people wey no come wan follow suit nko.
Why they come get government in place?
Why people come late to work?
Oh, he say wetin?
Why people dey come late to work?
The action
for Cross River,
the action wey Oga Fayose take na bad one.
No be you dey talk.
Wetin we dey talk about?
But we dey talk say we no need make governor.
Those are the kind of actions we need so that at least continuation go dey in disciplining people when commit one kind this thing offence.
You go take personal decision say this thing belong to all of us, make we make am well. No be until governor
if there are laws,
you go follow your pikin dey go school until your pikin dey know say e go write well to pass exam.
If there are laws in place, we also talk say any worker wey come late to see the necessary action or see the necessary punishment wey the person go serve. Okay, if these things dey in place and the governor right from your own mind know say yes, e get workers wey dey come work early. Shey you notice say suppose don carry out this say okay make una implement sure say as I dey make una implement without even visit una make sure say that law say na don implement am make una dey do the necessary things wey una suppose do.
The governor na spirit hin idea everywhere. The people wey dem give that authority to do am why dem no dey do am every small thing na this thing I talk that time every small thing everybody go blame government. Hey your chicken escape before Christmas you blame government. Rain fall too much you blame government. Sun shine too much you blame government.
And it's another thing to make sure say that law you effectively push am make people dey
the law dey exist for us na we go carry our hand sef say we wan do am well.
The issue of law wey people write just be like say make we okay wetin be your own point about this law.
Say 8 o'clock make everybody resume.
Okay, you wetin be your own.
8 o'clock make everybody resume.
You come carry am go give people say okay take it's na the law be that make na go do am as na like. Without even putting strong measure to say so this thing do am make sure say na implement am seriously. They follow up on am so that make everybody dey involved go also dey do wetin they abide by that same law.
As the governor don come now when the governor come catch them say they come late why they come begin dey prostrate? Why they come begin dey prostrate? Must you follow your pikin go school before your pikin know say him go need to read o do extra study pass examination so that him go make him papa proud? Answer the question.
It's also the job of the father. It's also the job of the father
to break the book enter inside the pikin head.
Listen,
to break the book enter inside the pikin head.
To also make sure say once pikin come back from school you also need to check wetin and wetin you don do, check update on how im dey learn reach so that at least also make am understand say this thing wey dey go do say e dey very very important. If you fail as a father not to implement all those moral this thing virtue on top of your pikin, I think say your pikin go come go school come say yes
government dey pay workers abi dem no dey pay workers. We even hear Ekiti State under the action governor Ayodele Fayose even promise to give motor through one particular better payment scheme. They promise to give motor to workers. Some don't even they collect am over 100 million naira so that it go dey easy for people to take the come office. That na government won't care about the workers. But my whole point be say no matter as government take care, they put law, they do everything. If people won't break this law, they go break this law. We must take personal decision to decide say we go do things right.
But if
they put
hold on. Yes,
do not urinate here.
Beautiful. Personal decision.
If they put do not urinate here for here, they go put padlock for your child and make you no open and urinate here.
Shey you notice say the visit of Oga Fayose to the secretariat
on the last day of the month.
Listen now.
On the last day of the month.
You notice say he go stir up that consciousness in the minds of people. Say okay. The governor be like they don't.
Must the governor visit before? Must the governor visit before people come take am serious?
Follow up on all these things.
One essence of the civil service na permanent.
All these things.
One essence of the civil service na permanent.
Follow up on all these things. By the time you
governor no fit come talk say he won't pursue anybody. Governor no fit talk say he won't sack anybody because na civil service. The governor must not pay surprise visit before people come dey know say governor fit come. Even for this Lagos here e happen that time when dem talk say governor Babatunde Raji Fashola say him go just enter inside hospitals dey do everything dey catch people wey no behave anyhow. For Sokoto sef Tambuwal the thing happen. He pay unscheduled visit to the state general hospital for inside that place say generator no dey on. Dem come begin dey rush say dem wan on anything. If we know what is right, let us do what is right. You no need to dey flog person before person know say this thing wey I wan do am make I do am right. Abraham Lincoln constitution define democracy as government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Not be only the people when they Abuja, not be only people when they State House or Ikeja. That's what I'm talking about.
It don't do you.
Don't tell me say don't do me.
Why go end and say that's what you're talking about?
Is that not what I'm talking about?
Wait to bring that one now.
Is that not what I'm talking about?
And the way you can't talk and say, you can't talk and say, wait to concern that. What bring that
You
one?
are supporting indiscipline.
How can I support indiscipline?
You are supporting
when I'm
indiscipline.
disciplined.
You are supporting indiscipline.
I am disciplined.
How do you know?
I am disciplined. I know I am disciplined.
How do you know?
Oh, what, I know myself very well.
Are you sure?
No, you know me.
I know
what
you.
What do you know about me?
I know you. I know you.
Don't tell me that one. Don't tell me that one.
We go talk small thing.
See,
You come throw am for table. Is that discipline?
You want to say you go come out suit nko?
How many
times you don't unbutton your suit here for me?
And they ever come out am?
How many times you don't threaten me here and say, Nkubi, mind yourself, I will deal with you.
I don't ever deal with you.
Means I don't ever deal with you.
But you don't come out cap. We don't see.
You don't unbutton your suit.
Unbutton. Everybody can unbutton. Everybody can unbutton. But come out cap is a sign of say you won't scatter everything.
But the end, you seem scatter anything.
But you are not the same.
It is still the same thing as you unbuttoning your suit, your this thing.
My suit
it is not different.
How the suit?
The only thing I could remove was okay. You go see say my own suit no dey buttoned, so there's no point me say me I want button anything. So the only thing I feel access to na cap. Come out show that fear where they me say. I mean that vex where they me say. Chukwudi, I don't want this.
Okay, Nkubi. Oh yeah, make we tell our people how we go take fit, check, repair all this indiscipline when they inside government. Shebi, you are a disciplined man. Oh yeah, make we tell our people.
You know hard. Me and you know say. Me and you
don't know. You know your own. I know my own.
No.
Talk your own.
Me and you know
talk
say
your own.
Discipline. And for discipline to do it to be very strong in our society, the government in place need to put measures, strong measures.
Government.
Yes. By the time they implement strong measures, they will say yes. We go very, very firm measures. You go to say every other people, head of departments or for these ministries or head of this thing for the council, go no say yes. The governor or the government they very, very serious, and for that reason they go also do it in flow up on the action.
Who tell you say these measures no dey? Who tell you say the measures no dey?
How effective has the government in place pushed to make sure say they implement and they make sure say they carry out those actions?
Government go carry.
I give you a typical example. I just like say I write something, give you say, me I go now now take handle am.
Responsibility no go tell you say make you handle the thing well. Responsibility no go tell you say make you handle the thing well, and you dey collect salary. You dey take care of your welfare. You dey do everything. No let me start with you. No let me start with you.
You are beginning to point.
No let me start with you.
Don't point me again.
Is it normal?
You don't point me again.
You dey point me back too.
You don't point me.
You are pointing me back too.
You don't point me.
If you point me, I point you.
You don't point me. Mind yourself.
I used two hand. You
don't point me.
You go fall down. Our people when they for us, we see they discuss government and indiscipline. How we go take repair am. Our focus now wetin happen for Ekiti State on the 31st of August and also wetin happen for Cross River on the 1st of June as the governors I go call their name respectively Ayodele Fayoshi of Ekiti and Professor Ben Ayade of Cross River carry waka enter before 8 o'clock and they come give instructions say once 8 knack make una lock the gate and as dem lock gate plenty people come late we come dey look say this one na very serious problem amongst other indisciplined behaviour wey be say we dey see for inside our society how we go take fit change am so that we go work together with our government and move our country forward when we go this break come back we go continue our discussion as e dey hot no dey use one eye dey look me no dey use one in military background is a threat no dey use one eye.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.